Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Luna Bloom seeds in Grow a Garden. So in this latest Harvest Moon Part 2 update, there is the brand new seeds that called Luna Bloom seed. This one you can see it, and to get and this it has a defined rarity, and you can get it from the moon chest like this. And in here, to get a moon chest, you just need to submit the required fruits to the wise owl until you reach 500 points like this. And after you reach the 500 points, you can just uh, open your moon chest, and chest you can get any rewards, random rewards, and if you are lucky you can get this Luna Bloom seeds. And for this Luna Bloom seeds, the fruits or the fruit selling price start at around, if I'm not mistaken, around 100,000 Cyclos, and it can become much more expensive depending on how large the fruit grows and how many mutations it has. So the bigger and more mutated your Luna Bloom is, the more Cyclos that you can potentially get. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!